6 to 8 bread slices. 1 cup of diced paneer. Some chopped coriander leaves to chopped green chilies. 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and capsicum. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of cumin zira powder. 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Half teaspoon of red chili flakes. Half teaspoon of coriander powder. Heat pan and add 1 butter cube. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add chopped onion. Add chopped capsicum. Add diced paneer. Stir fry. Add chopped green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Sauté it. Add salt. Add chaat masala and cumin powder. Add coriander powder. Add chili flakes and oregano. Add tomato ketchup. Give a nice mix. Paneer is coated well with spices. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Take a slice of bread and cut off edges. Slightly roll bread slice. Bread slices are ready for stuffing. Take 1 teaspoon of paneer stuffing and place in center. Apply water to corners. Apply water to corners of another bread slice. Place it on stuffing and gently press. Repeat the process. Paneer stuffed breads are ready for roasting. Heat pan kadai and add 1 teaspoon of butter. Place sandwiches and roast on low to medium flame. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Flip on other side and roast for 3 to 5 minutes. Sandwiches are roasted well. Remove them. Tasty paneer sandwiches are done. Tasty and delicious paneer chili sandwiches are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.